Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Yes, what is your question? Yes, yes. Even in the atom. Oh yes. Wherever he lives in his own paraphernalia. Anorniyang mahato mahiyan. He is the biggest than the biggest. And he is the smallest than the smallest. That is Vishnu. Annantarasthang paramanu chayantarasthang. Paramanu means atom. You cannot see even atom. How small. He is within that atom. He is everywhere.
How you tell us that wherever Krishna is, that is Vrindavan. And what I was wondering is, if Krishna is present within our hearts, does that mean that within our hearts?
Yes, one has realized he is living in Vrindavan, anywhere. A realized soul is always living in Vrindavan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has said. One has realized Krishna, then he is always living in Vrindavan. He is nowhere. Just like Krishna or Vishnu is living in everyone's heart. But he is living in the dog's heart also. Does it mean that he is doggish? He is living in Vaikuntha. Although he is living in the dog's heart, but he is living in Vaikuntha. Similarly, a devotee may seem to be living in some place which is far from Vrindavan, but he is living in Vrindavan. That's a fact. Yes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,